teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Avani. Today I am a drop of blood. I am there inside all human beings and animals. Human body consists 7% of me. Without me, there is no life. I have 8 groups. A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, O positive, O negative, AB positive and AB negative. Every moment someone needs me. Many people die due to my shortage. You can't make me, but you can only donate me from one to another. Blood donation doesn't make you weak. So donate me and save someone's precious life. It is the real act of humanity and it costs nothing. Raktadan Mahadan. Thank you.